Is Western medicine seeing the full picture when it comes to helping diabetics maintain healthy blood sugar levels? While Western pharmaceuticals for diabetics have been around for less than 100 years, there are medicinal systems from the East that have been around for generations. One of the strongest is Ayurvedic medicine, first developed almost 6,000 years ago in India. Ayurveda is well known as a system for achieving that delicate balance between the mind, body, and spirit for long, healthy lives. Over 1 billion people still use Ayurveda today, and Forbes just ranked Ayurveda as a top health trend for 2019. The Ayurvedic practice uses thousands of years of accumulated knowledge on the powerful health virtues of certain herbs and plants to effectively help the body's health, wellness, and recovery. And yes, there are specific Ayurvedic ingredients traditionally used to help people maintain healthy blood sugar levels and a good glycemic response. At CuraLife's FDA-registered facilities, our science-based approach combines these ancient Ayurvedic principles and knowledge with modern-day research, quality, and proprietary production abilities. There are 10 plants in the Ayurveda medicine long known for supporting healthy sugar levels. When combined correctly, they can create a delay in the absorption of sugars between meals, extend satiety, help maintain healthy insulin secretion abilities, and much more. We used these ancient natural keys for advanced blood sugar support and created CuraLin. CuraLin is an ISO 9001 and GMP certified nutritional supplement that's developed specifically for those looking to better maintain healthy blood sugar levels. CuraLin's all-natural active plant formula works with the body to significantly help promote healthy blood sugar levels, support high and healthy energy levels daily, promote healthy insulin sensitivity and production, maintain a healthy absorption rate of sugars in the digestive system, helps manage cravings for sugars and other carbs, promotes a healthy glycemic response, supports weight loss and the metabolism of fats, and more. Common feedback is feeling much more control over nutrition and glucose levels, and being able to live a normal, more fulfilling day-to-day life as a diabetic. So don't wait. It's time to support healthy blood sugar wisely with CuraLin today.